What's up guys, Andre here of YugaTech, and let's talk about the upcoming OPPO Find X5 series. Nope, you did not miss a Find X for smartphone, since the brand purposely skipped it, probably because the number 4 is considered to be unlucky in Chinese culture. Anyways, through the years, OPPO's Find X series has been considered to be their premium line that strives to be consistently innovative. Last year, we reviewed the Find X3 Pro, and it was impressive, alongside its gimmicky microscope camera. Unfortunately, it seems like the Find X5 series won't be having any advanced experimental features, although we still never know with OPPO since we don't have the official specs yet. Most of what we'll tackle in this video are reports and leaks online. Now catching up in the current market, the Find X5 is expected to come in 3 variations: the standard X5, the X5 Pro, and in some markets, an X5 Lite. However, there are also reports that there will be a Find X5 Pro Plus, or Max, which will be released around the second half of 2022. Checking out design, the Find X5 series will still be acquiring some physical features from its predecessor, with an uneven square camera module that seamlessly glides towards the back panel. So far, online renders show ceramic white, silver, and blue colorways in a glossy reflective finish. Oh boy, this is going to be a smudge magnet. Looking closely, besides the standard OPPO branding is a Hasselblad logo, making this the brand's first Hasselblad collaboration. Meanwhile, its triple camera module has powered by Mari Silicon Techs embedded. That stands for OPPO's self-developed Mariana Mari Silicon X imaging NPU chip that will assist the 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 primary rear camera. The standard X5 and the X5 Pro are both said to be equipped with such. However, we're still not sure if the Lite version will have it. Up front, there will be a 32-megapixel IMX709 camera for selfies. This might still change per variant. When it comes to display, the Pro model will have a curved 2K AMOLED LTPO 2.0 screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support. Last year's display was great, so we're definitely expecting the same or better standard on this one. As for internals, the OPPO Find X5 Pro will include the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset with 12GB of RAM plus 3GB virtual and 256GB of storage. Meanwhile, the vanilla Find X5 will be equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 9000. Then, the OPPO Find X5 Lite is said to ship with the Snapdragon 888 Plus processor. Software-wise, renders show that the series will get ColorOS 12.1 that's based on Android 12. Moving on to battery, fast charging is expected for the Pro model's 5000 mAh battery. This will be capable of 80-watt fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging. As for its release, it's reported to debut in late February in China, but according to blogger Yogesh Brar, OPPO is currently carrying out closed testing for the Find X5 series in India, so we should be seeing a launch sometime in March. And yeah, that's it for now guys. Other details and information about these smartphones are yet to be revealed, so stay tuned for more updates. But how about you? What do you think of the OPPO Find X5 series? What are you hoping to see? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Andre, and I'll see you in the next one.